हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम फिर करने आए हैं मस्ती मस्ती की पाठशाला में। आज हम मस्ती करेंगे मिस्टर बीन के साथ। इस एपिसोड में हम जंबल्ड अप सेंटेंसेस करेंगे। मिस्टर बीन एक हॉलिडे ट्रिप पे आए हैं। देखते हैं जंबल्ड अप वर्ड्स में वो क्या बोल रहे हैं। ट्रिप गोइंग is wonderful this be to a resort, a will which seven stay pool has eye in star a swimming. Policemen many duty as if are on terrorist attack expected is a have guns they whoops too. Less know am I to have as I gun a. Will shoot I terrorist as the I smarter am. Have good does he heavens a gun? I hide do where? There you hey stay. Records have you do picture or criminal think we his in? Out your take gun quickly. Two fingers gun you take out only to your. Doing is what? You do think he? Him headquarters, him arrest, take and to police the. Mr. Bean, from where you have come? Suspecting me for they are terrorist. Passport me, your show, Bean mister? Passport is your this? Is okay it now? Lock up putting we you are the in. Done have I what? Holidays I hear was my to enjoy. Crying stop, go and close on you my men will keep a watch. मुझे पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है। कैसा लगा आपको ये एपिसोड? मिस्टर बीन और बाकी के पुलिसमैन सब जम्बल्ड अप वर्ड्स में बात कर रहे थे। Jumbled up words do not make complete sense. We need to arrange them to make the sentences meaningful. So let us solve all the jumbled up sentences with Mr. Bean. आइए हम लोग पहले डायलॉग से स्टार्ट करते हैं। सारे डायलॉग्स jumbled up words में थे। So let us see how we need to rearrange them. Trip going is wonderful. This be to a. This is going to be a wonderful trip. Resort, a will which seven stay pool has I in star a swimming. I will stay in a 7-star resort which has a swimming pool. Policemen many duty as if are on terrorist attack expected is a. Many policemen are on duty as if a terrorist attack is expected. Have guns they whoops too. Whoops, they have guns too. Less know am I to have as I gun a. I am no less as I have a gun too. Will shoot I terrorist as the I smarter am. I will shoot the terrorist as if I am smarter. Have good. Does he heavens a gun? Good heavens! Does he have a gun? I hide to where? Where do I hide? There, you, hey, stay. Hey, you, stay there. Records, have you do picture our criminal think we his in? Do you think we have his picture in our criminal records? Out your take gun quickly. Take out your gun quickly. Two fingers gun, use take out only to your. Use only two fingers to take out your gun. Doing is what? You do think he? What do you think he is doing? Him headquarters, him arrest, take and to police the. Arrest him and take him to the police headquarters. Mr. Bean, from where you have come? Where have you come from, Mr. Bean? Suspecting me for they are terrorist. They are suspecting me for a terrorist. Passport me your show, Bean, mister. Show me your passport, Mr. Bean. Passport is your this? Is this your passport? Is okay it now? Is it okay now? Lock up putting we, you are the in. We are putting you in the lockup. Done have I what? What have I done? Holidays I hear was my to enjoy. I was here to enjoy my holidays. Crying, stop, go and. Stop crying and go. Close on you, my men will keep a watch. My men will keep a close watch on you. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Masti Ki Pathshala. Were you actually finding it difficult to understand what Mr. Bean was doing? Or what he and the policeman were speaking? I hope you were able to solve and rearrange all the jumbled up words with me. We'll meet in the next episode of Masti Ki Pathshala with a lot of fun. Till then, goodbye.